Hi guys, how's everyone? So we're going to start making the chicken because I had mentioned that I was going to bring that up, and then as you can see my chicken has been marinating already at least for about, I want to say about 6 hours. Okay, so in the chicken it has salt, pepper, rosemary, garlic, lemon, and some lemon verbena. I did add lemon verbena because it is optional. It gives more of a citrus flavor. Okay, so this is what it's been already marinated. So, and my grill, my skillet here that I'm going to cook, is already been heated. Okay, so we're going to put some extra virgin olive oil, and while that is cooking, I'm going to also blend a margarita, and I'll share that with you. And to kind of have some fun incentives, and then also with tahini, you can optional put that around the rim. Okay, so I just put maybe not too much of olive oil because the chicken and everything else already has the olive oil. So then the rest of it, after the chicken has been cooked, there are going to be maybe some crumbs. And this one gives me the option of putting all the chicken all at once. And afterwards, I'm going to have like a white wine cream to put on top. And I'm going to be using sour cream with that. Okay, so while this is cooking, I have it at 250, but if you wanted to cook because the chicken has been cooking with the wine and with the olive oil, also with the ingredients with it, then it's going to be tenderized and not rubber chewing. You don't want to have a chew and rubber in your mouth, okay? That is not the way that we would want our chicken to be. Okay, so I have all 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 chickens in here. And I want to say at least about 3 whole ones. About 3 wholes of breast chicken, boneless chickens. And what I did is I got one of my sharpest knives and I cut in between the middle. And with the boneless chicken, you can do so much. You know, you can flatten it, you can flatten the chicken, you know, you can cook it with the wine and kind of have fun with the chicken if you are a meat eater. Okay, so the rest of this, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to, it's going to savor the flavor. I'm going to put at least about 300, okay? So I'm going to put the lid on, okay? This is how it's going to look. Now it's going to cook on its own. Okay? So I'm going to put this aside. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to gonna bring my blender in. Okay. So with making the margarita, you can have a tall glass. Okay. So with first of all, let's grab some ice. So if you feel that is not enough ice, then more with the ice, then you're gonna have more servings. And also use a shot glass. You can use a tall. This makes maybe 2 or a half. Okay, because if you don't use a shot glass, then you're gonna be feeling really good. Okay, so. And I hope everyone is having a happy Sunday. This is probably going to show maybe on Monday. So, okay. I'm going to use our lemon. Okay. So I'm going to use some lemon. Around the rim. So if you don't care for lemon, you don't like the salt around the rim, so don't worry about it. That's fine too. Okay, so that's how it's gonna look. Tahini is a very savory flavor. Has a lot of salt. So what I'm doing is I'm just squeezing the lemon inside. Okay, inside the blender. So if you like your garbage disposal to smell fresh, then you can put the lemon inside the garbage disposal to have that citrus smell. Okay. So this video contains that I am going to show you how to make the white wine, the white sauce, combining with white wine and making a cream sauce with it, okay? And putting it over the chicken, all right? So we're gonna finish using Jose Cuervo with the tequila. Okay. Okay, so then we're going to use, I have backup for this one. Okay, so you always want to okay. So that's probably about total of maybe 1.5. So we're gonna put another one. There you go. So I think 2 is enough. If you're the kind of person that loves to taste the tequila, then you can put more. Okay. Now, oh, I forgot one more thing. We need our mix. Okay. So this is what we're going to do. We're going to pour it in. This is going to give me at least 2 servings or so. Okay. so now we're going to get ready to blend. Make sure that the top is on and it's going to be loud. So what I did is I mixed it. Now we're going to puree. Okay, so now we're going to pour it in. And this is the best part right here. That's great, huh? I'm going to have to taste it. That's good. That's really good. A little salty, but it's good. That's really good. Okay. So I'm going to move this back. Now we're going to bring the chicken back, okay? We're going to see how far we are in the chicken, okay? The chicken. Yep, it's cooking. Okay. While that's cooking, I'm going to get my salad ready. This is going to be for later with the white wine. The salt and pepper. So stay tuned, don't go away, and I will be right back.